Lieutenant Wizard here, and I just wanted to go ahead and say some things I've seen, such as the Gateway 4200 in the junkyard, finding out it was from my elementary school, just blows my mind. But something like this blows my mind even more. I found this MacBook sitting in the junkyard on the piles where people come and dump their junk. And from looking at it, the only damage on it really is these two chips right here, chip right there, and let me get my camera to focus. That spot right there. Other than that, this thing is in really good condition. There's no battery, it's gone. But I do not have an adapter for this laptop, so I may be able to test it at my school tomorrow if one of my teachers will let me, because they have the plugs for these, because I don't have any. What we're going to be doing in this video is cleaning it up, because it is really dirty. As you can see, the screen is extremely dusty. Excuse me. Screen is extremely dusty, and it's got dirt and stuff all over it. So I'll go ahead and get my cleaning materials, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I'm back with the MacBook, and first we're going to be cleaning the top of it, which this is what it looks like. It is disgusting. And get my camera, and we're going to be using Zeep Citrus Degreaser. I've used it on Macs. It works really good. So I'm going to sit my camera right here and get this ready. You're gonna get 3 paper towels. I prefer 3, just to be safe. And fold them up. We are going to spray some degreaser on here. I got some of it on my phone. Oops, my bad. So we're gonna wipe it. You can see it's already looking a whole lot better. Look at that. We're gonna get the bottom of it now. Look at that. That is disgusting. Yeah. It already looks a whole lot better compared to what it was. Squirt some more degreaser on there. And get this side. There's some scuffs on it too. And try to get this side some more a little bit. And that's the best that the top will turn out. It's really good now. Looking at the bottom of it, it's pretty disgusting as well. So we're gonna fold this paper towel one more time. Squirt some more degreaser on it. And scrub her down. Which, yeah, I'll get the bottom of it later when I feel like it. But as for now, if I could open it, that is, we're gonna clean this off some. Alright, look at that. This thing's looking a whole lot cleaner and nicer. Doesn't feel dirty anymore. So this paper towel is we need to get a new one. So I'm gonna get a new one and we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. We're gonna clean off the lid now. Well, the inside part of it anyways. And right there where that dirt was, it's gone now. Yeah. If this MacBook works, then that's going to be really awesome. Yeah. Get these few little spots right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get these few little spots. Okay, so yeah. I'm gonna test this tomorrow, and if it works, when I get home from school, I will make a video of it. So yeah, guys, guess that's about it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye.